In Chinese medicine, we don't want no sleep, no pain, only here cover. It's not the idea for newborn. They need warm, they need the environment, just like a mother's body inside. If you take that off, the baby is going to do even more struggle to survive, and it's going to give you all kinds of symptoms, crying and indigestion and not sleeping and any kind. Then people take in the wrong way, so the baby maybe want to eat more and want to, so this is, you have to pay attention for it.